From above the clouds I see the sea, a scattered land calling out to me. Islands shining like ancient stones. Buka, you're a beautiful place. Long sandy beaches, golden and wide, sea cliffs standing where dreams collide. Buka passage flowing deep and strong, whisper stories that have lived so long. So strong. Buka, you belong. Welcome to Buka, land of the free, where island and mainland meet the sea. From Kuko to Sohano skies, this land will open up your eyes. Buka, beautiful Buka. Long sandy beaches, golden and wide, sea cliffs standing where dreams collide. Buka passage flowing deep and strong, whisper stories that have lived so long. So long, so strong. Buka, you belong. Welcome to Buka, land of the free, where island and mainland meet the sea. From Kuku to Sohano skies, this land will open up your eyes. Welcome to Buka, Buka, paradise. Paradise. Cool hills stand sharp and proud, a winding road calling loud. To Kuku Beach and Buka Town, where island hearts never back down. Island hearts never back down. This is more than just a place, it's a rhythm, it's a grace, a gentle praise, a warm embrace, a story written on every face. Every face, island grace. Welcome to Buka, land of the free, where island and mainland meet the sea. From Kuku to Sohano skies, this land will open up your eyes. Welcome to Buka, Buka, paradise. Paradise. Welcome to Buka, land of the free, where island and mainland meet the sea. From Kuku to Sohano skies, this land will open up your eyes. Welcome to Buka, Buka, paradise. This is more than a landing, it's an arrival into soul. Welcome to Buka, land of the free, where island and mainland meet the sea. From Kuku to Sohano skies, this land will open up your eyes. Welcome to Buka, Buka, paradise. This is more than a landing, it's an arrival into soul. Welcome, welcome to Buka.
Air Niugini PX251 has arrived in Buka. Please remain seated for